Hi guys, in this video I would like to show you how to set your own ringtone in your iOS devices like iPhone and iPad without jailbreaking your devices. So what you need to do is to go to your iPhone or your iPad and then launch the GarageBand. So here, as you can see, this is my GarageBand. I have already launched it. So you need to create new song, and after that go to tracks and select this one, audio recorder. You can see, click more sound. No, just choose voice or instrument. Let me choose instrument, and then okay, wait. Next, what you need to do is to click on this one. Okay, here it is. Now it's time to add the song. You have to click on this one, in the middle one, choose all your files, and as you can see I have the song added, like shape of you, closer. Okay, so in this point, if you go to music, this is my music songs. These are the songs that I have in my smartphone. Okay, here, protected songs and songs not stored locally on your iPhone cannot be imported. So you cannot import any song from your music or your songs. So what you need to do is to go to all your files, and if you want to add other songs besides all of this, you have to go to import from iCloud, and then choose locations here, and then drive. So in here, what I'm trying to show you is, first you have to upload or download the song from your smart device and save the songs you have downloaded into your Google Drive. So as you can see in this video, I put the song in this folder here, shape of you, closer or something, and then just click add, and then the song will be here. So in order to add the song, what you have to do is to hold the song, hold it down, and drag it here. Okay, so now it's time to select the part that you like to set as your ringtone. So in here, just drag it here, and then you can play. You can click play the file that you like. Okay, so you can add more, like something like that. Okay, so if you want this song something from here, if you want like this, that's it. And next, you have to click on this one, go to my song. Now you have this, my song 2. Just hold on this one and then click on this, move down to ringtone. Yep. And then you can write down, like, okay, so it's easier to remember that song. Okay, A, B, C. Okay, and then export. Just wait. And then, okay, done. Just go back to the setting. Let's see if your song, if your ringtone is there. Scroll down to sounds, ringtone, and here it is. It's nice, right? So you don't have to pay for anything just for a ringtone. Okay, so that's it, everybody. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comment down below.